File, open folder. What is our folder? What is our
UI
folder?
10am.
UI 10am. Our folder is the UI 10am folder. Please go to the UI 10am folder. Fine. After going to the UI 10am folder, close all. Close everything I needed to close it. Okay? Close this one also. We needed to close this one. Avinash, what happened, Avinash? Yeah. Guys, say this one. What is the ID for this input? Guys, what is the ID for this input?
Cell.
The ID is the cell. Guys, how to access the value? How to access the value? If you want to access the value, cell.value.
Cell.value, yes.
Cell.value. Guys, everyone, guys, what is the ID of this range? What is the idea of this range?
Cell.
How to access the value?
Cell.value.
Cell.value. Guys, and here itself, how to display the result here? How
Output
to display
tag.
the result here? If you want to display the result, like value tag here, then go to the form itself, guys. We need to go, guys. Yesterday we discussed a little bit fast, guys. All the people may not grab that much of speed. Fine, guys. Say this one here itself. Net salary.value equal to, guys. Salary.value means current salary now. Yes. For that salary, how much bonus you want to add? 20%. Total I need to give to output element now. Yes, total sir. I want to give to the output element here. Fine. Guys, not only this one. Still run this application. I need to run this application. What the application is there? This application I need to run here. Everything variable to run here. Let me run everything. Yes, we're able to run this application. Yes, guys. Still, am I missing anything apart from this one? Text field is there. Telephone number. Can I enter the telephone number? Can I enter the telephone number? Is it possible to enter the telephone number?
Yes, sir.
Avinash, try to talk with me. Avinash, can I take the section tag?
Section tag, yes.
Avinash, label equal to mobile number now. Label equal to mobile number. Guys, and one more pointer. Input type equal to
tell.
Input to type equal to tell now. Input to type equal to tell. Input to type equal to tell when it took place. Guys, next one. Here itself, placeholder equal to what you want to place. Enter mobile number. Enter mobile number. Something we need to place. Guys, are we people able to see any watermark?
Yes.
We're able to see the watermark. Whatever the watermark is there, that watermark we're able to see. Guys, how to apply the same CSS? How to apply the same CSS? I want to apply the same CSS. How can I apply same CSS? Input type equal to input type equal to we should be in a position we need to place that now. Input type equal to tell. Here itself we need to place the input type equal to tell. Guys, and one more pointer. Guys, is it possible to see any default number? We don't know, guys. We don't know whether it's possible to see any default number or not. Fine, say this one again. Value equal to plus 91. Value equal to plus 91 or something we're able to see. We're able to see something here. We're able to see the something here minus. Plus 91 minus or something we need to place. Plus 91 minus or something we need to
the input type equal to file.
Once again. Yes, 91 minus something we need to place. Guys, how to choose the file? I wanted to choose the file. How to choose the file? Section tag. Next
label.
Avinash, label. What you wanted to place? Label. What you wanted to place? Label. We should be in a position. We need to place the choose file. Label. We should be in a position. We need to choose the choose file here. Choose file. Choose image. Choose image. Next one, guys. Input type equal to input to type equal to file na. Input to type equal to file. Guys, accept equal to image slash png image slash jpeg image slash jpeg or something related to place. Guys, choose a file or something is there na. Choose image, choose a file or something is there. Guys, I'm not talking about the JavaScript, guys. We are discussing only design itself. Remember
Yes.
that point. I'm not discussing about this any JavaScript. Still, JavaScript not started, guys. JavaScript and Angular, both the things I will start parallelly, guys. Within 45 days of time, I will close our batch, guys. See this one. So after
Okay.
completing this one, uh, one slot I need to go for the CSS3. CSS3 max 15 days, guys. So within 15 days, I will close the CSS3. Later, immediately, I need to start JavaScript and Angular. Then your batch will be finished. Fine. Next one, guys, observe this one here. And here itself, choose image or something we need to place. Guys, can I click the choose file? Yes. Guys, can you choose the logo here? Let me choose the logo. Whatever the logo is there, that logo we need to place. Can guys, and one more point. One more point is the, let me go for the another point here. We should be in a position. We need to go for the another point again. Guys, can I create the two buttons? Guys, can I create the two buttons? At least
Yes,
one
sir.
person here.
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
Can I create the two buttons?
Section,
Section tag. Next one is the
button tag.
input
Input
type
type equal
equal
to
to
button.
input to type equal to
Submit.
submit. Input to type equal to, we should be in a position. We need to press a submit button. Guys,
Yes, sir.
are we people able to see the submit button? Yes, sir.
Yes,
Someone
yes,
asked,
yes,
guys,
yes.
sir, email is not entered. See this one can HR.
Record field.
See this one can HR at the rate gmail.com. HR at the rate gmail.com. HR at the gmail.com. Guys, will it allow? Will it allow? It never allow. What it will allow? What it will allow? What it will say this one here, Ashok IT dot in. Then the error will be gone. Because am I writing any validation code? No, I didn't write any validation code. It is a validation code provided by the HTML5 itself.
HTML5
If I miss this one, error will be there. If I miss this one, automatically, if I miss this one,
error
after missing this one, if I click it here, automatically error will be there. Fine, not only that one, guys, go to the first name also. Where is the first name? Go to the first name also. Say this one here, here itself, just to place the required. Fine. I think if I click submit button, automatically error is there.
Please fill out.
Validation here. These are the default validations. So these are default validations provided by the HTML5 itself. Provided by what? Provided by the HTML5 itself. Yeah. Guys, next one. And one more thing is the, guys, not only submit button, if possible, can you create the reset button also?
Yes, sir.
If possible,
yes.
Can I create the reset button
yes,
also?
Sir.
Guys, will you people help me how to create the reset button? Input type equal to, we should be in a position. We need to press reset. Let me go for the reset button. Yes, sir. We're able to create the submit button. We're able to create the reset button also. So guys, can I apply the CSS?
Yes, sir.
Can I apply the CSS here? Yes, sir. We should be in a position. We need to apply the CSS. So how can I apply the CSS?
Input type, submit.
Guys, try to apply the CSS. Avinash, what happened, Avinash? Guys, anyone designed the form, guys? This kind of form you people need to design. Guys, say this one. Here itself, input type equal to input type equal to submit, comma input type equal to what you wanted to place, reset. Input to type equal to submit, and input to type equal to what? Input to type equal to, we should be in a position. We need to place a reset here. Input to type equal to submit, input to type equal to reset. We need to place. Guys, say this one here. Margin top equal to, we should be in a position 10 pixel. Margin top equal to, we should be in a position 10 pixel. Guys, say this one here. Otherwise, guys, say this one here. Margin equal to top and bottom equal to 10 pixel, left equal to 12 pixel. Guys, very important here. Top and bottom equal to 10 pixel, left and right equal to 12 pixel. Guys, width equal to 500 pixels. Width equal to 500 pixels. So guys, we're able to specify width here. Guys, if I go for the width, too much width, can I go for the only 200 pixels? Can I go for the only 200 pixels? Let me go for the only 200 pixels. Width equal to 200 pixels we need to place here. What are the width is then? The width equal to 200 pixels we need to place. Guys, can I increase the height also? Can increase the height again? Height equal to, we should be in a position 50 pixels. Height equal to 50 pixels we need to place. Height equal to, we should be in a position 30 pixels we need to place. guys, and one more thing, guys, if possible, can you go for the border itself? Border
Yes, sir.
equal to border equal to
Border equal
1
to 1
pixel,
px
1
solid.
pixel solid red color, 1 pixel solid red color, or something we need to say. Yes, guys, can you go for the border
Border
radius?
radius.
Border radius equal to say this one here. Border radius equal to 20 pixels we need to place. Border radius equal to 20 pixels we need to place. Guys, see this one again. Can I apply the multicolor background? Multicolor
Linear
background,
gradient.
45 degrees, 45 degrees,
45
comma, guys, so 45 degrees, comma, red color, comma, next one is the black color, red color, comma, next one is the black color. Guys, so how to change the text color?
If
How to
color.
change the text
Color
color?
white.
Color equal to white color. Color equal to white color we need to place. Fine. Guys, and one more point. One more point is the, the hover effect na?
Yes.
Do you people know the hover effect? How can I see the hover effect? We should be in a position we need to see the hover effect.
Hover.
Do you people know the hover effect, guys?
Yes.
Hover effect. Colon hover now.
Hover.
Colon
Yes.
hover now, guys. Here itself. Colon hover now.
Hover.
Colon hover here. Colon hover here. Next one. See this one here, and here itself. Background equal to linear gradient of 45 degrees, comma, 45 degrees, comma, yellow, comma, red color.
Red color.
Guys,
Yes.
hover is applying now.
Applying.
Hover is applying here. Whatever the hover is there, the hover is applying here. Fine. Guys, I hope all the people may not catch it immediately, guys. Guys, will you people do the little bit hard work to understand this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Guys, please do the little bit hard work to understand this one. Guys, check our syllabus copy here. We need to check our syllabus copy. If you check our syllabus copy here, once again here.
Sir, after the Angular and JS, which syllabus we can complete, sir?
No, because we need to put more focus on the JavaScript DOM manipulation. So a lot of things are there. JavaScript, I hope for the full stack people, not full stack, for the Java people in the syllabus, they have the Angular, because anyhow, whatever it may be, we need to complete within the 45 days of time, your entire course itself also. So I need to plan for that one. Fine. Coming to the CSS3 max 10 to 15 classes, because the content is ready. The content is ready here, max 15 classes here. Apart from the 15 classes, I don't want the more. With the 15 classes, with more content. Excellent content is available for that one. Guys, check the syllabus here. You need to check the syllabus here. Once if you check the syllabus here, guys, see this one here. Here itself, all the semantic elements are completed now.
Completed, sir.
Yes, sir. Next one, guys. All the storages are completed now. Yes, sir. Cookies also completed now. Yes, sir. Guys, WebSocket API also completed now.
Yes.
Web worker also completed now. Drag and drop also completed now. Location API also completed now. Yes, sir. Nata. Forms also completed now. Yes, guys. Canvas and SVC completed now. Next one. WebSQL basic example completed now. WebSQL basic example completed. So, which topic is left for you? Only
animations.
Only animations topics completed, pending here. Guys, coming to the CSS3 also. See this one. Flexbox, guys. Flexbox will take around 3 hours of time. That's it, yeah. Around 3 hours. If I take the 3 hours of Flexbox concept, it will complete here. And coming to the Gridbox also, around 3 hours of time it will take here. So Flexbox with the in-depth here, not ordinary content, also with in-depth information, we can say the 3 hours of time. Gridbox also 3 hours of time. Responsive web design, like media queries. Media queries will take around 10 hours of time, guys. Very lengthy. Dimensions here 1 hour. It's just 1 hour. Colors, background colors, so these things maybe 1 hour here. Around 15 to max 20 hours of time here. Not more than that one. Within 20 hours of time, we're able to complete the CSS. Yeah, 15 days I will take it here. Not only that one, here itself, one of the confusing topic to the developers itself. Ourselves also a little bit confusion. What is absolute? What is absolute? What is a relative? What is a static? What is a static? What is absolute position? What is a relative position? What is the relative position? Next one. What is the static position? What is the sticky position? Have you heard about it now? Sticky position. These positions also very important. Very important. These positions also we need to say. Okay, na? Fine. Guys, we have the only one topic here, animations topic. Just give me the second. I need to verify. Did he discuss the animations to the old batch people or not?
Can we complete the slider animation in CSS?
Animations we can complete it. Slide, not slider, that one we can call carousel.
Carousel. Yes.
Yeah, Siddha. We need to
Carousel
go
is the
for
bootstrap
carousel.
topic, na, sir? Carousel.
Bootstrap. Carousel related to bootstrap itself.
Okay, sir.
1 second here, 1 second. No guys, that animations I didn't cover it with any batch, but I needed to cover it to you people. Okay, no? Fine.
Okay,
Yeah,
sir.
let me check that animations, guys. I need some time to see that one. So please go through up to now. Tomorrow I will close the HTML5, guys. Once if I close the HTML5 day after tomorrow or within 1 or 2 days after, I will start the CSS3 for you. Okay, na? Fine. Yeah, guys. In the drive itself, everything is updated or anything is pending in the drive. Can you please give the reply to me, guys?
Yes, sir. Updated, sir.
Updated.
Everything in the
All
drive itself.
updated, sir.
No, nothing is pending in the drive itself, na?
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Fine. Guys, video files. Can I delete
Only
the video files?
only animation.
Old. Guys, old video files. Can I delete old video files?
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. It's updated.
Take 1
sir.
week, sir. Take 1
Yeah.
week, sir.
Yeah, not an issue. Yeah, I think 1 week, not 1 week, around 15 days I will keep that one can. After 15 days, I won't ask you, I will delete it after 15 days, 15 to 20 days. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Fine. Yeah, tomorrow, guys, tomorrow I will close HTML5. Okay, na? And after completion of HTML5, I think 2 to 3 members I need, guys. That people, I think